Hello and welcome to Initial Solution. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to remove a game from Facebook. So let's start the video. First open the Facebook app on your phone and tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right of the screen to open the menu. Click on the gear icon to open the settings menu. Next, scroll down to the Your Activity section and tap on Apps and Website. Here you will see a list of all the games and apps connected to your Facebook account. Find the game you want to remove and tap on it. Then hit the remove button to remove the game from Facebook. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Check the box if you want to delete all data related to the game. Then tap remove again to confirm. And that's it. The game is now removed from your Facebook account. For more tips and tricks, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.